Y'all, what is that? Hey you guys, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got a mystery box. I am so excited. This mystery box is it was $100 and it's like worth like $500 worth of product. Maybe a little more or a little less. It was like a complicated process because the seller was on eBay. So this is like what, a TikTok eBay mystery box? Here's the little paper that they send. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your TikTok beauty mystery box. All of the skincare and makeup in this mystery box is worth $100. Ooh. No returns, no refunds. All sales are final. Do not pass go. Okay, you know what? I'm confused. What does do not pass go mean? Like, am I not going anywhere? So here is the box of goodies. Look at my box. The first thing we got is an egg. Wait, what is this? No, wait, what is this? Okay, now I'm kind of worried because what did I need an egg for? Now, y'all do know on TikTok, they do like rub eggs all over their face. I don't know, y'all see those videos where the girls be like rubbing eggs on their faces? So maybe they sent this for like rub egg and collagen to like promote collagen on the face. I don't know. Where I get an egg? I'm confused. So the next thing I got in our TikTok mystery box is like a Freeman. Wait, it says Freeman Flirty Feet Salt Foot Scrubber. I need to figure out how much this is because if this is like $5 and I paid $100 and so far this is giving like two $6 gifts. Y'all, I think I got scammed. Look, now I need this for this. I did look up the price of the Freeman Flirty Feet Salt Foot Scrubber and it's $3. It's $3 at Walmart and $3.99 at iHerb. It's not really giving $100 teas. So I mean, y'all, I think I got duped. Y'all. They gave me the subscription after I already know these are $1. Well, at least they weren't open. Let me see if they're dry. Y'all help us out. And they gave me one. I thought these came in like, oh, it broke. I cannot believe I spent $100 on this box. I'm really upset right now. Oh, there's something big in here. Oh, what is this? Oh my God, they wrapped it in such beautiful packaging. Oh, what is this? It says Spot Popper. What? Are these the things they be using on TikTok? You are lying. It says, fed up of not having enough spots to squeeze? Try out all the new limited edition Spot Popper. Fill up and pop again and again. What in the ghetto? And it was half open. Is it used? I think they gave me a used one. Y'all, y'all, they sent it used. You see this stuff? I swear to God it's used. I'm done. I am done. I got stopped. Oh, see, look at it. So someone sent me a used popper to squeeze. Oh my God, and it's just oozing. I don't like things like this. The next thing they sent me is CeraVe's Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser in a sample. Why y'all didn't send me the whole thing? Why did they send me a sample of CeraVe? Why? So the next thing they sent me is a sample of Dickerson's Witch Hazel. This one is, wait, what is this one? Oh my God. They sent me Urban Decay. Let me see how much Urban Decay is. Isn't that like $18, $20? And then they sent me this Moon Glow lipstick. So An intense pink. I'm curious what the intense pink looks like, but it's giving like dollar tea. So let's put this intense pink on. Oh wow, this is bright like a diamond. Bright. It's cute. Let's watch Urban Decay. It's new. It's not lipstick. What is this? This is not lipstick. This is lipstick. Okay, so this was probably like what, $10 for this Urban Decay. So I got El Cheapo lipstick, and then they gave me some Urban Decay chapstick shaped like lipstick. Okay, so you know what? It's ghetto. It's giving ghetto. So let's see if there's anything else. Oh, they sent me, what is this? Oh, it must be a face mask, because you know they said toner, so I'm kind of thinking you apply toner to y'all face mask. So let's see. Get in there, face mask. So when I first tried clay mask, when I first tried clay mask, I like it to be thick. Yeah, this is giving Rasul clay to. What is this? Wait, what is this? Oh no. What is this? What is it? Hold on, wait, what is this? Wait, what is this? What is it? Oh my God, it's so much. What is this? What is this? I swear to God, please, like, no, we not about to do this. Josh! Y'all, I'm gonna ask Josh because this is not about to happen to me. Here,
Are you serious right now?
Yes.
It's not even moving. Hand it over.
Is it real?
How much did you pay for this box?
I'm not telling you. I'm not telling.
Oh my God, you wasted more money. I told you, stop buying crappy stuff from eBay.
It wasn't eBay, it was TikTok. Is it fake?
It's the same thing.
Here, is it?
It's a fake fishing worm.
Okay.
Such a waste.
Okay, so the mask.
You don't even know what you're even putting on your face, though.
The mask, but it's a fake worm, so it really doesn't matter.
It could be fake dirt. You could be putting on like powder.
You know what? Thank you for your services. Thank you. Y'all,
I just gotta ask. Did you smell it?
Here, let me smell it.
No. Did you smell the dirt before you put it on your face?
No. It's not dirt.
Oh my
God. It doesn't smell that bad.
Is putting weird brown stuff on her face.
I can't. Hold on, y'all. Let me go wash my face. I'm not gonna drag. We just got a bad apple. With that being said, you guys, you know, when life brings you lemons, just make lemonade. That's all I gotta say. I'm tired. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you watch some of my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you thumbs up this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.